Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to start a new video playlist and it's going to be C# fundamentals. Before start my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe. It motivates me too much, and crush the like button. If you have some questions about my video, don't forget to drop comments below the video. And of course, don't forget to turn on notification, as every day I'm sharing great contents for you. Alright, let's continue the video. First of all, I'm going to share with you how you can download Visual Studio 2022. Let's go to our browser, type here Visual Studio 2022 community download. Perfect. Click the link. As you can see, there is a download button here. Just click it. Download will be appeared here. Oh, here we go. Let's click it. I already downloaded the software, so I'm just gonna show you how you do it. I'm not gonna do it start over. It's not it's not a big deal. I'm just going to show you which section you need to add in your application. Perfect. Don't forget to add ASP.NET Web Development. Tick it and tick the .NET Desktop development. We might need it just in case. Keep it in our software, and we're going to use this Universal Windows Platform just in case. Keep it. Form with C#, yeah. And we need the data storage and processing section. Tick and keep it. We don't need Azure development. I don't even know why I downloaded. Just forget it. We're not gonna use Azure development. Individual components. Don't forget to tick your .NET 6, 7, and 8 runtimes, and just click the install and all be done. It will be set up to your computer. Alright, let's open our software now, Visual Studio 2022. Let's talk about here a little bit. The left side is going to be your recent project, which is going to be empty for you because you didn't have any project yet, and the right side is telling you there is a clone repository. What is that? It is telling you if you have a project which is located in a remote repository like GitHub, you can click here and download the project to your computer and you can continue to work with it. If you didn't watch my playlist about Git and GitHub, I'm going to share the link somewhere here. Just click it and you can learn everything about Git and GitHub. And these sections are, if you already have a project which you don't have now, click here and open your project. And this section is which we're going to use it now, create a new project section. Let's continue. Once it's open, the left side again is shows you the recent project templates, and you can also search by templates name here, like for example model dash view. As you can see, the results already has been shown. Perfect. Let's delete it, and you can filter your results by selecting here, selecting language, selecting platform, and selecting templates. And we're going to use a console application, so we're going to start with cross-platform console application. Click this one and next. Actually, I can start with the blank template. Let's type here blank. We can start with the blank template as well, but I'm gonna show you how to start with the console application. It's okay, no problem. Let's click the next, and I'm going to give a name for my project. So it comes with the solution name and project name. Don't forget, every solution can have more than one project, so try to give your solution and project name according to this situation. Perfect. My first project name is going to be YouTube C# initial. Should I type initial? Let me have a look. Yeah, let's give a name. YouTube C# initial. All right. The solution name is going to be fundamentals. All right. Let's create our project now. Yes, we can use the 876. It won't change too much, at least at the beginning of the lessons. Now, all right. Alright guys, let's start with the settings first. I'm going to talk a little bit the UI and then we're going to jump to settings, and I'm not gonna make you bored too much about UI section. I'm not gonna tell every detail because even I'm not using too much the menus. The most important thing is in this section, we just create our project, right? Don't do anything, don't do nothing. Click the build your project from this section. When you click here, your project will be start. Just click it and see if it's everything okay. Project is started. As you can see, hello world is here. Our command is here, is working. There is no bug, there is no problem. Sometimes it might be a problem and you have to delete all project. So once you create your project, just start it. Okay, it's working. The second step, we're going to create our repository because we working with Git and GitHub to develop our project more efficiently in safe methods. But before creating a repository, I'm going to talk a little bit our UI. As you can see, here is our solution explorer, and there is some sections here, error list, package manager console. We're going to use error list too much if there is an error in our project, like let's make some error here. As you can see, there is nothing with CO, and error comes up quickly, and we have an error list here, as you can see, and it's showing us where the error list, project, file, and line. It's the third line, file, and this is the project. And we using package manager console too much. Let's hide it. And we using solution explorer and git changes. 95% we using this for window. And somehow if you close them by mistake or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. Just click the view section, click the solution explorer, it's here, and click the git changes, it's here as well. You can click error list, it's already come, and we package manager console is must be here. Let me find out where it is. Toolbars, other windows, package manager console. Perfect. As you can see, we recovered all of them. Now we can click auto hide and it's gone. Perfect. Let's go to Solution Explorer. Let's do some settings. Click the tools and options. You can do all settings from here. And I'm gonna change some. Before the lesson I changed some settings. You can change your fonts and colors. As you can see, I changed my text editor settings. I changed my environment settings. Where's my environments? Yep, here we go. Arial Nerman 13 to show you much better. And I changed my tooltip sections. Where's my, oh, not here. Yeah, sorry. Where's my tooltip? Table thread, local, data tips. Where's my tooltips? Tooltips, let me have a look. Environment. Yeah, tooltip is here. Sorry, it must be here. Yeah, you can click the tooltip and you can change tooltips settings here as well. Okay, let's close this section. And by the way, what is tooltips? When you try to type a command here, there is a tooltip appears. Like, for example, as you can see, there is a we call this window tooltip, which helps you. What is that method for? How you can use it? Blah blah blah. Okay, I think it's enough um, for the UI explanation. And I'm going to show you how we create commands, because if we type something random, as you can see, there is red um, red line underneath what you type here, and it's telling you there is error. Let's go the error list, and your compiler um, try to fix this error, try to make you to fix this error. So how we can do command line this section? Just put two divider here, and it become a command section. And the new version of the C Sharp, there is a blue line. It's appear a blue line, and it's making a spell errors. And you can disable it as well, but I'm keeping it to write my codes much more efficiently and clean. Okay. And also, by the way, this it affects just one line. This is how to make command line. Alright, when I go down, it becomes again same. So if you would like to whole paragraph as a command, and you can use these signs. Oh, where's my star? And star slash. So it means if you go down like this, delete it, I don't need it. If you type anything in this two sign, it will be all commands. And when you click this minus section, you can minimize it. I mean, unthread it. So you can it's going to be really useful while you type some explanation, which is a really big one. Okay, let's type some nice things here. You can use this command type for more bigger explanations or codes. Yep, perfect. So we can consider it. This is the title and this is the explanation. You can use commands like this. Alright. Now I'm going to delete this section. I'm gonna actually cut this section and paste it. What is the console write line, guys? This is the first command I'm going to show you, which is a static method, comes with the language. We're going to use really frequently, and I'm going to delete it and start again, step by step. If you type CW and click tab from your keyboard, it comes automatically. But I would like to show you, when you open a parenthesis, you will able to see the requirement of your method. So let's have a look. This is a method, and there is 18 overload. So you can use this console write line method with 18 different style. And this is your tooltip, which I told you before. Okay, let's have a look. What can you use? You can add string, object, and a lot of object, a lot of string, whatever it is. Yeah. Let's select the second one. You can add a bool. You can add a char. You can add an array, char array. You can add decimal, which we're going to learn these data types with on next lesson. In this section, I'm just going to add a string value, which is used with double quote. Let's type here hello world. Perfect. Let's start our project now and see our first command. As you can see, hello world is appeared. Perfect. Let's save it. Is there anything should I tell you in this lesson? I guess I'm going to finish, but um, let me have a look. Alright, this is our initial lesson, and I'm going to create a repository first. Let's click the add source control, click git, and I'm going to work just local only because I'm going to upload to the remote once I've finished my project completely. I don't want you to use directly to my course because I want you to type every detail what I type here. Let your hands memorize what you're doing. It's best way to learn. Don't how can I say always use your hands. Always type new codes. Always do the different things. Okay, perfect. So we going to create our git. Yeah, this is the location. We can use a default git ignore. If you would like to know what they are, you can watch my GitHub video as I told you before, guys. Okay, I'm going to create this repository now. It started. Must be created. Yeah, it's here now. Let's have a look our git branch now, manage branches. As you can see, our initial project has been done.